Hey, what's going on? I'm Steve. Hope you're doing just amazing. We're going to learn the most famous chord progression of the 1970s. It's super easy to play and it's in a ton of songs, like Dust in the Wind. And Landslide. Wheel in the Sky. And even strumming songs like Take It Easy. So what is it? Well, it's a walk-up that goes from A minor to C major with a version of B in between, like this. It's in a ton of songs from the 70s, so I'm going to show you two different variations of how to play this progression and give you a couple other song examples from Led Zeppelin and Crosby, Stills, Nash & Young and Lynyrd Skynyrd. All right, let's just get to this thing. So we start off with a regular A minor chord. I use two fingers to play the A minor, and after that you go to this. It's a version of B right here, so you put your first finger on the second fret of the A string and then third finger on the third fret of the B string, and you hit the open D, G, and high E strings in between, but not the low E, and then the next chord is a C major. So again, like this. Now you'll hear that in Dust in the Wind again. Then it walks it back down, backwards, back to that B, to A minor, and then it does some other chords, G to F to A minor, but like that. If you put the capo on the 5th fret like I did a minute ago, that Wheel in the Sky by Journey, it's the exact same thing. Totally different feel because of the capo, but the chord progression is exactly the same. A minor, up to a B, to a C major, and then you add your pinky down to a G major and all that. If you go down capo 2 frets like we did a minute ago, Landslide. It's the exact same thing. An A minor, they play a bit of an A minor 7th, I believe, where the G string is open. But the walk-up is the same and the C major is the same. Now, let me show you a simpler way to do it. It's even simpler. If I come back here with no capo and do the A minor, it goes like this. All you do, instead of removing your fingers and putting this one on the 3rd fret of the B string, you just do this. Just a very simple walk up from A minor. Leave this finger on the 1st fret of the B string, remove the rest of the A minor, and go to that 2nd fret of the A string. Doesn't sound that great alone, but it's just a quick walk up to get to the C major. And that's in Take It Easy like I did. G major, running down the road, trying to loosen my load. I got G, D, C. Well, when it goes into the whole chorus, take it easy. Don't let the sound A minor of Your Sweet Love drive me crazy to E minor. So it's A minor, just that little walk up from an A minor to a C major. Another classic is Stairway to Heaven. Basically the same thing, you do it a couple ways. A minor, just add that finger right there. Very cool, so A minor to that B version, C major, back down, and then, whatever you want to do with Stairway to Heaven. Another classic one is Helplessly Hoping by Crosby, Stills, and Nash. And he goes, G major, D major, but when it starts off, you can do either walk up to go from the A minor to the C major. And I give you one more before we close out here. It's Simple Man by Lynyrd Skynyrd. Very cool. So it starts off really with an A minor, does a very quick walk up, open A, again, just does that, alternate version right there with the 2nd fret of the B string and 1st fret right there, but you're really just doing the walk up to a C major, to major with a pinky on the 3rd fret of the B, and then back to A minor. So you can see right there, it's in a ton of these amazing 70s songs. Give it a shot, learn it, and you'll have a blast. All right, I'd love to hear what you think in the comments. Hit like and subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you around the channel.